You know that sinking feeling? You're trying to log in and suddenly your Apple ID password isn't working? Don't panic. Resetting it is a breeze. We'll show you exactly how to get back into your account in no time. First, grab your trusted Apple device and open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the very top. Next, select Sign In Security. Then tap Change Password. If you have stolen device protection enabled, you might encounter a brief delay. To check if you have this enabled, go to the main settings page, scroll down, and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. And right here, stolen device protection in my case is turned off. But if you have this enabled, for your security you may need to wait 1 hour before you can use Face ID to reset your password. It's a small wait for a big peace of mind. Once you're ready, enter your device passcode when prompted. Now simply enter your new password in both fields, making sure it's something secure but also something you'll remember. Then, tap Continue to confirm your new password. You'll then have the option to sign out of other devices using your Apple ID. This is a good step to take if you're concerned about unauthorized access. And just like that, your password reset and you're back in control. Do you find it hard to share the Wi-Fi password when you have friends over? Well, check out our full guide on 2 easy ways to share your Wi-Fi password with your guests.